Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HENC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, quite the nice day today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and monster volume on the day, especially the late afternoon is when the majority of the volume came in. So a lot of people are going to be talking about this one all weekend long. So I'm sure it's going to also be showing up on people's scanners as they do their weekend scans. But regardless, let's map out some levels of support and resistance as we head into the weekend here. First areas we'll talk about are some supports, and the initial level of support is what I would call the ideal level. And if you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up there above 7 cents. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 7, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as next week plays out, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move, that right there is how I'm defining the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. Everyone must visualize that. That is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 7 cents would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance going forward? Well, pretty straightforward right now. The party finally stopped this afternoon. So red for resistance, but party finally stopped on a couple different occasions, right up there at 0.096. So 0.096 very clearly where the sellers are currently sitting at right now. Good news is assuming there's no gap downs or anything on Monday, the price is well within striking distance of doing battle with that again. Now, I mean, no such thing as a guarantee, so that doesn't mean it's guaranteed to break. However, it's a more than plausible, it's a more than rational thought to have that, yeah, you could very well see a breakout because, like I said, the price has to travel just a very small distance, before it's starting to do battle with that area again. But all in all, great movement today, great way to end the week. And now it's just a question of can the price continue to build upon this momentum next week? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.